Instagram URL algorithm new feature not showing on Instagram Reel tab. As you notice that it shows only plus reels and friends. So I want to show you how to fix this problem. First thing, you need to simply go to the Google Play Store. In here you need to simply search the Instagram. So now make sure you have updated your Instagram app. So once you receive the new update, you can simply update your Instagram. As second thing, which one is most important, you need to simply go to the Instagram. Here tap on three lines. So on settings, you need to simply enable the earlier access option on Instagram. So this is the option which allows you to get the latest feature on an Instagram account. So I want to just enable the earlier access feature. So here if you scroll down, so you will find there is a new earlier access to features option. So make sure you have enabled this option, and here you notice that this option is disabled. Once you enable this option, so you will quickly get the new feature when Instagram launch. So make sure you have enabled this option. After that, you need to simply once again open up the Instagram, and in this time you need to simply tap on Instagram Reel. So at the top you notice that now I can easily get the filter which one is a URL algorithm. So you will find the double heart. So here you can control your algorithm by using this new feature. So in this way you can easily fix this problem, Instagram your algorithm not showing on Instagram Reel tab. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you find this video helpful for you, then please like, comment and share this video. Thank you so much for watching.